Okay, here's a demonstration on doing Notan, a Japanese form of art utilizing positive and negative space and shape. This is very simple. The students can do it. You have to have them imagine that each surface of your starting shape is like a mirror. So I'm going to do just half of a shape, and we're going to reflect it over this line of symmetry. Sometimes I do this in collaboration with shapes that they like, or seasons or holidays that they like. So I show them that this is a reflection. You have to imagine that the edge of this is like a mirror. It's getting reflected over the side, just like this. And we can do this to each of our sides here. We can do it to this side as well and do a different shape. Now, I don't glue these down right away because I want the students to be able to move them around. Place it back over the top like a puzzle piece and then flip it over to see where it goes. Okay. Maybe I'll try a different shape this time. Just a more natural shape, an organic shape. And traditionally in Notan, you only do a reflection, but if you so choose, you can have them do inverses of those reflections also. Kind of adds variety. You don't want to have them overlap their shapes. It can get a little bit confusing if you do that. Just have them keep their shapes separate, just for the sake of clarity. I organize this in the middle of the page, and I don't glue anything down until I'm totally done. I know what I want. So this is kind of neat. You can see how it still retains the original square shape, but the empty spaces are also used. The empty spaces are just as important as the actual paper. And that's kind of the point of doing a Notan project. But you can show them that even this positive space you can turn into a negative space again. So I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to cut another piece out of it, and just like before, I want to make sure that I've got it lined up like fitting a puzzle, and then I want to reflect it over that line like it's a mirror again. The students really like that. It gets almost a three-dimensional feel when you inverse the light and the dark. You can do it a third time. And when you've got your whole presentation the way that you want it, then you just have the students glue those pieces down. I usually have them start by gluing down this big piece that was the remainder of the original square, and then go from there. You can use other shapes as well. Traditionally it's a square or a rectangle. Sometimes I use a heart as the base shape, but you can so choose.